Are you tired of feeling weighed down by clogged arteries? Ready to improve your heart health and live a more vibrant life? We've got great news for you. In this video, we'll reveal the top 10 simple and delicious foods that naturally clear clogged arteries. By incorporating these mouth-watering options into your diet, you'll nourish your heart and experience a renewed sense of energy. Stick around till the end because we have some bonus foods to share with you. Did you know that if you live to be 70 years old, your heart will have beaten around 2.5 billion times? Wow! Arteries play a vital role in maintaining a healthy body by carrying oxygen-rich blood throughout our system. They can be compared to smooth roads that facilitate easy traffic flow. However, at times, these roads become clogged, which can lead to potential problems. This blockage occurs when plaque accumulates on the inner walls of our arteries. Plaque, which is made up of various materials that float in our blood, such as calcium, fat, cholesterol, and cellular waste, can lead to atherosclerosis, causing arteries to narrow and harden. It's essential to remember that the process of plaque buildup often begins during childhood and adolescence. Therefore, it's crucial to encourage healthy habits from an early age to prevent plaque accumulation and clogged arteries in later years. Be aware of the potential risks of clogged arteries and take necessary precautions to prevent them. Depending on where the plaque accumulates, it can lead to various health risks like coronary artery disease, strokes, or peripheral artery disease. Watch out for symptoms like chest pain, shortness of breath, and heart palpitations, among others, which may indicate the presence of clogged arteries. Thankfully, various tests are available to detect these hidden threats, including cholesterol screening, X-rays, CT scan, ultrasounds, and angiograms. These tests help in identifying the level of plaque buildup and determining the best course of action to prevent further damage. Taking proactive steps can go a long way in preventing the risks associated with clogged arteries and ensuring a healthy life. To prevent plaque buildup, it's crucial to lead a healthy lifestyle. Maintain optimal levels of good cholesterol, control hypertension, avoid smoking, and manage diabetes. Additionally, factors such as family history, stress, a sedentary lifestyle, and obesity play a role and should be managed accordingly. This might come as a shock to you, but high cholesterol is not the only cause of clogged arteries. Insulin resistance, which can be triggered by a diet high in sugar or carbs, is the real culprit. Shocked? Insulin resistance leads to inflammation, weakens artery linings, and makes it easier for cholesterol to cause damage. However, there's no need to worry. You have the power to take control of your health. By choosing a diet that's rich in anti-inflammatory and antioxidant foods, you can put together a team of superhero foods to help you combat clogged arteries. Let's take a look at the top 10 options that you might want to add to your diet. Number 1. Legumes. Legumes are known for their ability to lower LDL, bad cholesterol levels in our body. The soluble fiber in legumes binds to cholesterol and prevents it from being absorbed by our body. High levels of LDL cholesterol can lead to the buildup of plaque in our arteries, which can ultimately lead to heart disease. Therefore, incorporating legumes into our diet can be helpful in preventing heart disease. Moreover, legumes are also kind to blood pressure as they contain potassium, magnesium, and other minerals that help to regulate blood pressure levels. Potassium is known to help relax blood vessels, which can reduce blood pressure. Magnesium is essential for maintaining normal heart rhythm and helps to prevent the formation of blood clots. Overall, legumes are a nutritious and delicious addition to any diet. They are versatile and can be used in a variety of dishes, including soups, stews, salads, and dips. Number 2. Allium vegetables, such as garlic, onions, shallots, leeks, and chives, are packed with a wide range of beneficial compounds, including sulfur-containing compounds, flavonoids, and phytochemicals, which offer potential health-promoting properties. Studies have shown that these vegetables possess anti-inflammatory and antioxidant properties, which can reduce inflammation, protect against oxidative stress, and prevent cell damage. Additionally, the sulfur compounds in these veggies have been found to aid in lowering blood pressure, reducing cholesterol levels, and improving overall heart health. Allium vegetables are also a good source of quercetin, a flavonoid that has been associated with a reduced risk of heart disease and other chronic conditions. Tell us, which legume or Allium veggie is your favorite? Drop a comment and share how you include it in your meals. Your insight might just be the inspiration someone needs. Number 3. Spinach. It's an excellent source of nitrates, which are important for maintaining healthy blood pressure levels. These nitrates are converted by the body into nitric oxide, which helps to improve blood vessel function and promote healthy circulation. In addition to nitrates, spinach is also packed with antioxidants, including vitamins A and C, folate, and flavonoids. These antioxidants work together to protect the body from harmful free radicals, which can cause cellular damage and contribute to chronic diseases such as cancer and heart disease. The flavonoids found in spinach in particular have been shown to have a powerful anti-inflammatory effect, which can help to reduce inflammation throughout the body, including in the cardiovascular system. This, in turn, can help to lower the risk of heart disease and stroke. On top of this, the high levels of folate found in spinach make it an excellent choice for pregnant women, as this nutrient is essential for healthy fetal development. Number 4. Green tea, a popular drink that is made from the leaves of the Camellia sinensis plant. It is a rich source of catechins, which are a type of flavonoid that act as powerful antioxidants in the body. Catechins are particularly abundant in green tea and have been shown to offer a range of health benefits. One of the most well-known benefits of green tea is its ability to improve heart health. The catechins in green tea have been found to reduce inflammation, improve blood vessel function, and lower blood pressure. These effects can help to reduce the risk of heart disease, which is a leading cause of death worldwide. In addition to its heart-healthy properties, green tea is also a good source of caffeine. Caffeine is a natural stimulant that can help to improve mental alertness and concentration. This can be especially useful for those who need to stay focused during work or study. Overall, green tea is a simple and delicious way to support your health. Whether you enjoy it hot or cold, it's a great option for anyone looking to incorporate more antioxidants and caffeine into their diet. Number 5. Citrus fruits. Citrus fruits contain flavonoids, which are natural compounds that have various health benefits. Flavonoids act as antioxidants and help protect against the harmful effects of oxidized LDL cholesterol, which is known to increase the risk of heart disease. Studies have shown that regular consumption of citrus fruits can reduce the risk of heart disease, stroke, and other chronic conditions. Citrus fruits are also rich in vitamin C, which is essential for a healthy immune system. Vitamin C also acts as an antioxidant and helps protect the body against harmful free radicals. Other essential vitamins and minerals found in citrus fruits include potassium, folate, and vitamin A. Number 6. Fatty fish. The richness of omega-3 fatty acids present in these fish is one of the most prominent reasons behind their health benefits. Omega-3 fatty acids have been shown to reduce inflammation and swelling in the body, which is known to cause various diseases including heart disease and stroke. Omega-3 fats also help reduce the risk of blood clotting, which in turn lowers the risk of heart disease and stroke. These healthy fats are also known to boost the levels of good cholesterol in the body, which helps keep the heart healthy. Number 7. Flax seeds. Flax seeds are an abundant source of plant-based omega-3 fatty acids, which are essential for maintaining a healthy heart and brain function. They also contain high levels of dietary fiber, which can help regulate digestion and reduce the risk of developing certain diseases, such as type 2 diabetes and colorectal cancer. Flax seeds are also rich in antioxidants, such as lignans, which can help reduce inflammation and protect against chronic diseases. It's worth noting that to get the maximum benefits of flax seeds, it's best to consume them in ground form. Ground flax seeds are easier for the body to digest and absorb, making it easier for your body to access their many health benefits. Number 8. Berries. Berries like blueberries and strawberries are a sweet and healthy treat that you should consider adding to your diet. Not only do they taste great, but they are also incredibly nutritious. Berries are packed with polyphenols, which are powerful antioxidants that help protect your body's cells from damage caused by free radicals. Additionally, They are also a great source of fiber, which can help keep your digestive system healthy and promote regularity. But the benefits of berries don't stop there. Research has shown that regularly consuming berries can also help improve your cholesterol levels and lower your blood pressure. This is because the polyphenols in berries can help reduce inflammation in your body, which is a key factor in many chronic diseases, including heart disease. So whether you enjoy them on their own, mixed into a smoothie, or sprinkled on top of your breakfast cereal, there are plenty of reasons to make berries a regular part of your diet. Not only are they delicious, but they also offer a wide range of health benefits that can help you live a longer, healthier life. Number 9. Avocado. Avocado is a highly nutritious fruit that is rich in healthy monounsaturated fats, fiber, and various vitamins and minerals. This combination of nutrients makes it a potent food for maintaining good health and preventing chronic diseases. One of the most notable health benefits of avocado is its ability to help lower LDL cholesterol levels in the blood. This is because it contains high levels of beta-sitosterol, a plant sterol that has been shown to inhibit the absorption of cholesterol in the gut. In addition, the healthy fats and fiber in avocado help to keep you feeling full and satisfied, which can aid in weight loss and weight management. The fiber in avocado also supports healthy digestion, promoting regular bowel movements and reducing the risk of constipation. The vitamins and minerals in avocado, including vitamins K, C, and E, potassium, and magnesium, provide numerous health benefits. These nutrients support healthy bone development, promote healthy skin and hair, boost the immune system, and support overall cardiovascular health. Number 10. Tomatoes. Now, why did the tomato turn red? Was it because it saw the salad dressing? Well, tomatoes are highly nutritious fruits that are rich in vitamins, minerals, and antioxidants, making them a great addition to any diet. One of the most well-known antioxidants found in tomatoes is lycopene, which has been found to have numerous health benefits. Lycopene is particularly beneficial for heart health, as it has been shown to increase the levels of high-density lipoprotein, HDL cholesterol, commonly referred to as good cholesterol. HDL cholesterol helps to remove low-density lipoprotein, LDL cholesterol, also known as bad cholesterol, from the bloodstream. This reduces the risk of developing heart disease. Studies have also found that consuming tomatoes regularly can help to reduce other risk factors for heart disease, such as inflammation and oxidative stress. Additionally, the high levels of potassium found in tomatoes can help to regulate blood pressure, which is another important factor in maintaining a healthy heart. We've covered the top 10 best foods that can help unclog your arteries. But as I promised, we have bonus foods that you can add to your diet. So don't leave just yet. So go ahead, savor the flavors of these healthy foods, and let your diet be the key to unlocking healthy, happy arteries. Bonus food 1. Cinnamon and ginger. Cinnamon is effective in regulating blood sugar levels in people with diabetes. It has been shown to reduce inflammation, which can contribute to numerous health problems, such as heart disease and cancer. Cinnamon can also help improve cholesterol levels, which is crucial for heart health. Ginger, on the other hand, has potent anti-inflammatory and antioxidant properties that can help protect the heart and reduce the risk of chronic diseases. Bonus food 2. Dark chocolate. It is a rich source of flavonoids, a type of antioxidant that is known to have potent health-promoting properties. Flavonoids in dark chocolate can help lower blood pressure by relaxing the blood vessels, reduce inflammation by neutralizing harmful free radicals, and improve blood flow by promoting the production of nitric oxide. Dark chocolate is also a good source of magnesium, a mineral that is essential for the proper functioning of the heart and the maintenance of healthy blood pressure. Magnesium in dark chocolate can help regulate heart rhythm, maintain normal blood pressure, and prevent the buildup of plaque in the arteries. Bonus food 3. Walnuts. A great source of protein, fiber, and healthy fats, including polyunsaturated and monounsaturated fatty acids, which are essential for maintaining a healthy body. What sets walnuts apart from other nuts is their high antioxidant content, particularly polyphenols and vitamin E. These antioxidants help to protect the body from oxidative stress, which can cause damage to cells and contribute to the development of chronic diseases, such as heart disease. Research has shown that regularly consuming walnuts as part of a healthy diet can improve blood lipid levels, reduce inflammation, and promote overall heart health. Bonus Food 4. Olive oil is rich in monounsaturated fatty acids, which are known to have numerous health benefits, such as reducing the risk of heart disease, stroke, and diabetes. One of the most significant benefits of olive oil is its high content of polyphenols, which are powerful antioxidants that protect your cells from damage caused by free radicals. Additionally, polyphenols have anti-inflammatory properties that can help reduce your risk of various chronic diseases, including cancer, Alzheimer's disease, and arthritis. Congratulations! You now have a list of the best foods that you can incorporate into your heart-healthy diet. Taking care of your heart's health is incredibly important, and preventing clogged arteries is a crucial step in achieving that. Incorporating a diverse range of heart-healthy foods into your daily meals can also significantly reduce the risk of heart disease. In addition to a balanced diet, intermittent fasting can also help improve heart health. By limiting your food intake to a specific time window, you can enhance insulin sensitivity and reduce inflammation. By following these dietary changes and practicing intermittent fasting, you can become the hero of your own heart health story. If you found the information in this video helpful, make sure not to miss out on this next video. It's packed with even more valuable information about healthy foods that you don't want to miss. Watch it now to take another step towards a healthier lifestyle. Found a favorite among these 14 foods? Share in the comments and suggest topics you'd like us to cover in our upcoming videos.